Hi everyone, my name is Jeffrie Joshua Lazarus George, and my team member is Rajeshwari Radhakrishna. We are going to show you a demo about our Android project, which we done for the spring for Android programming course. Our project name is UTNotePad. UTNotePad is a free uh, Android note-taking app, kind of inspired by QLNote. It allows users to take beautiful Markdown supported notes, organize them with notebooks and tags, and manage tasks and reminders. It will also have the capability to add voice recordings and capture images along with notes. We're going to show the demo and we are going to talk about the major pieces of functionality first. Uh, um, to start with, we are going to show the mutable shared state which we have implemented. So we have two emulators. One is Pixel 9 Pro and another is Pixel 8 with API 35. So I'm going to create a note here. So you can already see this note has been created here in the second emulator. The same way I can create a note in the second emulator so that it will reflect in first emulator. Notes in second emulator and API Pixel 8 and Pixel 9, you can see it's syncing in real time. And this is done by kind of firebase real-time listeners and view model state propagation. And this at the same time, I can also delete the nodes. Yeah, delete and delete permanently. So that will be reflected in here also. Yeah. Yeah, it syncs. So it took some time to delete, but actually it's syncing properly and now it's deleted. Now that's the mutable shared state, and we'll talk about the second important functionality, which is the Firebase firestore sync. So all the nodes which we are creating here is synced to the firestore. So you can see. Let me refresh it. So we created a cloud firestore database where the collection is nodes, and we can see it all the different nodes being created. This is the node IDs. So the schema is defined in such a way that when it is created, whether it is stored locally or in cloud, whether the markdown is enabled, all these things will help us make sure the nodes are shown properly. And you can see the content also. So any node will have a node title. Yeah, the title is here, and then the content is here. So let's create a node to showcase the. I'm going to close the emulator, which is no longer required. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to create a new node. So firestore sync demo node, and this is you can see it is created. Yeah, firestore demo sync demo, and this is a demo node. And if you delete it here, it will get synced in the nodes as well. So delete it here, go back, you can see it is deleted. It's deleted here. It's no longer see. You can no longer see the nodes. Other one of the major another functionality which we have created is creating nodes in a beautiful markdown structure. So you can see here when we go to the nodes content section, we have bold, italics, strike through headings, and the different parts which you can create, even tables. So let me I can select it and make it bold. I'll say this one as ink, this one as strike through. Yeah, you can see it has the markdown ability. It's bold and striped, and markdown is 8. So when you go again to edit it, you can modify the different aspects of the nodes. You can also create tables. Yeah, one. Yeah. So this is how you can create tables as well. So this is the nodes, and you can modify the layout mode as well. So this is how the layout mode works. We have functionality to search the nodes. You can search the nodes by A1 or B1. Yeah, so you can search the nodes like that. You can also record an audio. Hey, this is a recording audio. Store. So it's a recording audio node. You can play it and then you see the recording clip as well. And we have some settings for future use. And we have some settings to enable disable the theme. Yeah. So the theme is black now. You can disable it, light, and we can also update the scheme of the app, color scheme. Uh, and worst case, you can always create a backup of a zip file of all the nodes, so you can save it here. Yeah. So it will save the zip format of all the nodes. I think that's about it. Thank you.